Dear learners, today we are going to discuss about introduction to data structures. Introduction to data structures. First topic is what is meant by data structures. Data structure is nothing but it is a way of organizing and storing the data for efficient access and modification. That means in data structures, a group of elements or data can be stored in a computer and it can be easily accessed by the user and modified by the user, and it will be have more efficiently we can able to use. That is mean by data structure. In data structure, example of data structure is nothing but array, linked list, stack, queue, tree, graph. These are all will be an example. That means when data structure can be classified into two types. One is linear data structure, another one is non-linear data structures. In non-linear data structures, we have seen plenty of items. So at the same time, now what is the need of data structure? Next we are going to see about what is the need of data structure. Need of data structure is nothing but it is efficient for data management. Then it will have faster searching and sorting algorithm can be used under faster way. Then better memory usage has been allocated for this. Then supports complex applications also. So these are all the need of data structures. Then what are all the types we have now? Array, linked list, stack, queue. Non-linear data types we have trees and graphs. Linear is nothing but it is a predefined data types, while non-linear it is nothing but it can be created by a programmers. Now first topic will be array. What is mean by array? Array is nothing but it is a collection of elements of the same data types that will be stored in a continuous memory allocation. That means a collection of items or collection of elements or collection of elements that are all can be stored in same data type. Same data type is nothing but if we are taking an example as int, integer, character or float, what are all the data types we are using? That's say only a same data types. If we are using integer na int a equal to 5 now, it will be then best example of array. Array can be declared as array of 5. That means 5 elements can be inside in the array. Okay, so same data type is known as array. Okay, then each element is identified by an index. Index is nothing but a starting value. That means array of 5 is nothing but array of 0 is known as index. That first starting point is an index. Then array can provide fastest access to the element. These are all basic list for array. Then what are all the operations we can use in array is nothing but traversal, insertion, deletion, searching, updating. So while insertion is nothing but how to insert an element in an array, then how to delete an element in an array, then how to particularly search if array of 4th position I need to search now, there we use searching algorithm. Then updating now we can able to update an element in an array. These are all will come under array operations. Then what is mean by stack? Next topic is stack. Stack is nothing but it is a linear data structure. It has last in first out. It will use the principle as last in first out. That means the last element inserted in the stack will be come under first element will be removed. Okay, well, that means last in first out. That is the basic principle of stack. Here we are using the basic operation as push, pop, peek, then element. Push is nothing but add an element, while pop is nothing but we will delete or remove the element. Peek or top is nothing but we can able to view the element in the top. Is empty is nothing but the stack is fully empty. That is known as stack. Next topic is queue. What is meant by queue is nothing but it is also a linear data structure. It will follows the principle as first in first out. The first element inserted in the first element will be removed. While we are inserting the element as first, that same element will be removed by first. That is the concept of queue. Here what are all the basic operation has been used now? NQ, DQ, front, rear. These are all 4 basic operation we are used in this queue. NQ is nothing but inserting an element, while DQ is nothing but removing or deleting an element. Front is nothing but view the first element. Rear is nothing but it is the last element. Then what are all the types has been used in queue now? We have 4 types of queue. One is simple queue, circular queue, priority queue, then double-ended queue. These are all the queues will be discussed in the upcoming session. Next, linked list. Linked list is nothing but it is also a linear data structure where elements are stored in nodes. That means in linked list we have one node that one node will consider data and address. Okay, well, each node will have data and address. Address is nothing but address to the next node, that is pointer. Okay, well, then what are all the types of linked list we are going to discuss now? Single linked list, double linked list, circular linked list. Okay, these three type of linked list has been detailedly we'll see in the next upcoming section. Then what operations here linked list will be used now? Insertion, deletion, traversal and searching operation will be used. Next, then thank you.